Good morning, sir. My name is Shamini Noor Susanna. My ID matrix is 17 DIT 23 F 2059. To wrap things up, this project gives technical solutions a complete and professional network for their new five-story building. First, we organize the network using a three-layer model. This ensures that data flows smoothly from the main server room on the ground floor to every single department without any slowing down. Second, we choose the best materials. We are using Cat6a cables for the desk and fiber optic cables for the backbone that connects the floors. This means that the internet will be very fast and safe from electrical interference. We also plan for the future by adding 20% extra network points. The company can hire more people there without needing new cables. Plus, our PoE switches make it easy to plug in Wi-Fi units and office phones using just one cable for both power and data. Finally, by following international TIA standards and using a clear leveling system, we have built a network that is reliable, easy to fix, and easy to grow with the company.
Good morning, sir. My name is Darshini. My card matrix number is 17DIT24F1008. So now I'm going to explain about task 1, which is the requirements and design. So before starting, we actually calculate exactly how many connection each floor needed. We didn't just look at today, we looked at the future. Like as you can see in our requirement points, we added 20% of expansion buffer to every floor. This means if Technova solution grows and hires more people, the network is already prepared to support them. In total, we designed for 256 network points. Next, we choose the best cable for the job. We are using Cat6a copper for the decks because it supports 10 GB speeds and works perfectly with the devices like VoIP phones. For the vertical backbone connecting the floors, we choose OM4 multi-mode fiber to ensure there is no interference and no speed bottlenecks between levels. Finally, to keep everything professional, we designed a standard labeling system called FRP. This stands for floor, rack, and pod. By using this system, any IT technician can find and fix a connection in seconds just by looking at the label on the wall.
Now, let's look at how we plan the network for each department. If you look at this table, we didn't just guess how many connections we needed. We looked at every floor carefully. For example, the IT department on level 3 is our busiest area, so we gave them the most points, 70 in total. We counted every single workstations, every printer, and every Wi-Fi unit. But we also thought about the future. We added a 20% expansion buffer to every floor. This means if Technova Solutions hire more staff next year, the network is already ready for them. In total, the whole building will have 256 network points. To keep things organized, we are using the FRP labeling system. If a cable breaks, the technician can look at the label and know exactly which floor, which rack, and which port it belongs to. This makes fixing problems much faster and keeps the demo room very neat.
So, sir, now we move to task 3, which is hardware and quality assurance. For the equipment, we selected sizes that fit each floor's needs. In the ground floor server room, we are using a full-sized 42U standing rack to hold the main servers and switches. For the upper floors, we choose 9U wall mount racks. These are compact and stay out of the way, which is perfect for saving office space. The The heart of the each floor is like 24 port managed switch. This switch is very important because of the technology. It allows us to send both data and electricity to Wi-Fi units through one cable. Like this means we don't need to hire an electrician to put power sockets in the ceiling or have a massive power bricks under every desk. To ensure everything is perfect, we perform quality assurance through two main tests using a network tester. First one is like the continuity test. We check that the electrical signal can travel from the patch panel to the wall jack without stopping. This proves the wire isn't broken. Secondly, the wire map test. We verify that all 8 color wires are in the correct TIA 568B order. This ensures we didn't accidentally cross any wires during the installation. So by following these hardware choices and testing steps, we can guarantee that Technova Solutions has a reliable professional network from day one.
In this project, we are using two different types of cables to make sure the internet is fast and reliable. For the desk where people work, we choose Cat 6A copper cables. I chose these because they can handle very high speeds, up to 10 gigabits, even at long distances. They are also great for PoE, which means they can send power and data at the same time to our office phones and Wi-Fi units. Now for the backbone, which is the main line connection for 5 we are using for multi-component fiber. Fiber is perfect for this because it doesn't get affected by electricity from the buildings power lines. It also has the much higher capacity, which prevents bottlenecks. Think of it like a giant highway that allows all the data from every floor to travel to the server room at the same time without any traffic jams. Thank you.